This week, Anoka-Ramsey Community College continued the conversation about the growing opioid crisis. The college invited a national addiction speaker to the Coon Rapids campus. CTN's Jennifer Anderson joins us now with more. Jennifer?
Steve, prescription opioid addiction and heroin abuse is on a sharp incline in Minnesota. The Department of Health reports double-digit increases in overdoses and opioid-related deaths across the state. The most recent data from 2016 found at least 395 opioid overdose deaths in Minnesota. That was a dramatic increase from the year before, jumping 18%. A person whose addiction drove him close to death spoke to the students at Anoka-Ramsey about that grim reality.
There wasn't a soul that thought that I would live another 6 months if you saw me at the bottom. But people can change, and recovery is possible.
Tony Hoffman's message is to remember that every addict has a story. He is a former BMX pro who lost it all to drug addiction. Sober since 2007, Tony is now a speaker and Olympic BMX coach. He told nursing students and others at Anoka-Ramsey this week that an important step in combating the opioid and heroin crisis starts by breaking down the stigma of users.
And really what I want to do is inspire other people to, one, further their knowledge about addiction, because there's a lot of misconceptions or stigmas that work against those who are struggling with addiction, but also inspire those who may be struggling with addiction that recovery is possible. There's resources here available to help people, but you have to stick your hand out so somebody else can grab it.
The Department of Health also lists removing stigma as a key prevention step. Anoka-Ramsey had resources on hand from Mercy Hospital, Narcotics Anonymous, and others following the talk.